Water parks are a cool way to cool down the kids in summer. But what if you have little kids? Walt Disney World's Blizzard Beach offers as much fun for toddlers and preschoolers as it does for older kids, and its Tike's Peak area is a perfect getaway for parents and little ones alike. The attraction is for kids 48 inches and shorter, but just because it's made for little children doesn't mean it's not big on fun. Tike's Peak features an inner tube slide that lets the kids slip and slide and spin, a larger regular water slide is part of the fun as well. Plus there are smaller water slides too, offering slippery fun, and several feature short tunnels as well. The park features covered picnic areas and sunbathing spots, as well as splashing water features. Lifeguards are positioned throughout Tike's Peak, just like at the rest of the park. The waiting area is one of the best ways for parents and kids to cool down, and it has water spraying features as well. Sandy areas provide endless playtime too. If you have toddlers or preschoolers, go ahead and take the plunge at Blizzard Beach. You won't be going down the summit plummet with the little ones, but you will have a cool time just the same.